If you're over 45, you've tried everything to lose this stubborn belly fat, and nothing worked. That's because you've been attacking the wrong problem. The pharmaceutical companies know the real reason your belly won't budge. In 90 seconds, I'm showing you the exact biological mechanism they're hiding. And the shocking part? I'm giving you the complete recipe, the exact measurements, the specific amounts, the one drink that does all the work. It costs less than your coffee budget, and you can make it tomorrow morning. Your metabolism didn't fail. Your willpower didn't fail. What failed is a single hormone called GLP-1. And once I show you how to reactivate it naturally, without Ozempic, without gym memberships, without Hunger Games, you'll understand why everything else felt like torture. And more importantly, you'll see exactly what goes into the drink that fixes it. Here's what happens in your gut right now. You eat. Your stomach stretches. Your brain gets a message. Okay, I'm full. Stop eating. Burn fat. But after 45, that messaging system breaks down. Your brain stops listening. Your body thinks it's starving, so it hoards every calorie as belly fat, even when you're eating healthy. Ozempic works because it artificially sends that "I'm full" message. Costs $300 a month. But your body can send that message itself. You just need the biological trigger. And that trigger? It's sitting in 4 ingredients I'm about to break down for you. The first biological trigger is green tea, but not as you think of it. Most people brew weak tea and wonder why it doesn't work. Here's the hold. Green tea extract contains catechins, specific compounds that directly activate GLP-1 receptors in your intestinal wall. Studies show it increases fat oxidation by 17% and tells your brain to stay satisfied longer. The payoff? 1 cup signals your gut. You just consumed nutrients. Activate satiety mode. Burn fat instead of storing it. Now, most people stop here, but this is where 90% of people fail, because one ingredient alone only works 40% of the time. The second trigger is what changes everything, and it's the one pharmaceutical companies definitely don't want you combining with this. The second trigger is psyllium husk fiber, and this is where most people's DIY attempts fall apart. When psyllium hits your digestive tract, it absorbs water, lots of it, and expands. It literally fills your stomach like you just ate a 3-course meal. But here's the kicker. You only consumed 40 calories. Your brain gets completely confused. It registers fullness without registering calories. Your appetite suppression hormones flood your system. Your hunger literally disappears for 4 to 6 hours. But, and this is critical, if you combine these first 2 without the third ingredient, your body adapts within days. You'll feel the effects diminish. People think the remedy stopped working. It didn't. They just made a critical mixing error. The third ingredient is the one that sustains the effect and prevents your body from adapting. The third trigger is natural protein, specifically whey isolate or plant-based blend. Here's why people obsess over protein but get it wrong. Most protein just sits in your stomach. But protein rich in the amino acid leucine? It does 3 simultaneous things. First, it preserves muscle while your body burns fat. Second, it directly stimulates GLP-1 production in your intestines. It's the only macronutrient that does this. Third, it extends satiety effects by 200%. The payoff? A single serving of the right protein doesn't just fill you up, it reprograms your appetite hormones for the entire day. Here's the real data. 24 grams of protein per serving. That specific amount matters because anything less, and you don't trigger the GLP-1 cascade. Anything more, and you're just adding calories. People combining these 3 ingredients report losing 18 to 26 pounds in their first month. Not because they're dieting harder, because their body chemistry literally shifted. Their cravings disappeared, their energy stabilized. But the fourth ingredient, the one people always forget, is what determines whether you lose 18 or 26 pounds. The fourth ingredient is turmeric with black pepper and cinnamon. This is the one that takes it from good to life-changing. The hold. Turmeric contains curcumin, which directly activates GLP-1 production in your intestinal lining. Black pepper increases its bioavailability by 2,000%, meaning your body actually absorbs it instead of passing it through unused. Cinnamon recalibrates your insulin sensitivity, which means your body stops storing belly fat and starts burning it as energy. These three combined don't just trigger satiety, they reset your entire metabolic signaling system. Your pancreas starts listening again, your insulin resistance drops, and critically, they prevent the adaptation problem that kills other solutions. Here's the results pattern. Week 1, cravings drop 60 to 70%. Week 2, energy increases, bloating decreases. Week 3, clothes fit different. Week 4, scale starts moving consistently. And now, here's the complete recipe. Write this down. The GLP-1 activator recipe. 1 serving. And it's surprisingly simple. Just follow each step with me, and you'll have a smooth, powerful GLP-1 activating drink ready in minutes. Start by brewing your green tea. Pour hot water over 1 teaspoon of leaves, steep for just a few minutes, then strain and let it cool completely. You can chill it overnight if you prefer it extra cold. Once your tea is ready and cooled, let's build the drink. Pour 250 milliliters of your cooled green tea into a tall glass. It should fill the cup about 2/3 of the way. Now it's time to add the protein. Add 1 full scoop of vanilla whey protein right into the glass and give it a light stir so it begins to blend. Next, we thicken it for that GLP-1 effect. Sprinkle in 1 dessert spoon of psyllium husk, then gently stir for a few seconds to let it absorb and expand. Now, let's add the anti-inflammatory power ingredients. Add a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper, then give it a quick stir to distribute the spices. And 1 more fat-burning spice to finish the base. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and stir gently. The mixture will start to thicken fast. Now, we blend everything together. Lower your milk frother halfway into the mixture, keeping it steady in the center of the glass. Let's mix it into a smooth, creamy drink. Turn on the frother and let it blend the ingredients for 15 to 30 seconds. Move it slightly up and down until the drink becomes smooth, creamy, and lightly foamy on top. And now, the best part. Drink your GLP-1 activator right away while it's fresh. Use a spoon if it thickens, or sip it like a creamy smoothie. No frother? No problem. A blender will do the job just as well. This single drink does what people spend hundreds on supplements trying to achieve. You make it in the morning, you drink it. For the next 4 to 6 hours, your appetite is gone. Your metabolism is elevated. Your body stops storing belly fat. Which timing is best for you? If your main challenge is a slow metabolism or struggling to lose weight even when you're eating well, taking it in the morning is your best bet. It gives your metabolism a gentle, sustained boost right from the start of the day. If you tend to hit an energy wall around 3 p.m. or find yourself reaching for snacks out of habit or fatigue, the afternoon dose works quickly to curb those cravings and steady your energy. And if you often overeat at dinner or wrestle with late-night hunger, an evening serving, taken just before your meal, can help you feel satisfied sooner and avoid unnecessary second helpings. For most people, the best results come from combining morning with one other timing. For example, a morning dose for metabolic support plus an afternoon dose to shut down those 3 p.m. cravings. That's 2 servings a day, which is not only safe, but actually helps accelerate your progress. The people losing 18 to 26 pounds in month 1? They're not doing this once. They're doing it daily for 5 to 7 weeks minimum. Because this isn't a quick fix, it's biological reprogramming. One more thing. If you're on any medications, especially blood pressure or diabetes medications, check with your doctor before starting. This works because it's powerful. Don't skip that step, and if you're ready to join the Win Wellness family and take control of your health naturally, subscribe and hit the bell. You don't have to fix everything at once. Just win back one part of your health today. Because small choices create lasting change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for another quiet victory.